Before backing up video from your Swann DVR, you need a properly formatted USB drive. Let's start with the essential requirements. You'll need a USB 2.0 or 3.0 drive with FAT32 or NTFS file system. A minimum of 4 gigabytes is recommended, but drives up to 2 terabytes are supported for extended recordings. There are two main methods to back up your recordings. The first method is direct USB backup through the main menu system. Next, use your remote control to access the main menu and navigate to the Backup or Export section. Here you'll find the options to configure your backup settings. In the Backup section, you'll configure your settings by selecting specific cameras, setting the date and time range, and choosing video quality. Once configured, initiate the transfer and monitor the progress. The second method is playback export, which allows you to select and export specific video clips directly from the playback interface. Access playback mode, select your desired video clips, then use the copy or export option. Configure your format and quality preferences, then save directly to your connected USB device. Most Swann DVRs export video in standard formats like MP4 and AVI for wide compatibility. However, some models use a proprietary DAV format, which requires the Swann Player software for playback. When backing up videos from your Swann DVR to USB, you may encounter some common issues. Here are the most effective solutions and best practices to ensure successful backups. First, let's address the most common troubleshooting issues you might face during the backup process. If your USB drive isn't being recognized, first check that it's properly formatted to FAT32 or NTFS. Test the USB port functionality and try a different USB device if needed. Here's how the FAT file system organizes data on your USB drive. Proper formatting ensures your DVR can read and write to the device correctly. For slow transfer speeds, upgrade to a USB 3.0 drive, which can be 3 to 5 times faster than USB 2.0. You can also reduce video quality or ensure your DVR has adequate power supply. For file compatibility issues with proprietary DV files, install the Swann Player software. Alternatively, use third-party conversion software or export directly in standard formats like MP4 or AVI. Now let's cover essential best practices to ensure secure, organized, and efficient USB backups from your Swann DVR system. For security, always enable password protection for exported files and limit physical access to your backup devices. Keep your DVR firmware updated to benefit from the latest security patches. Regular firmware updates from Swann ensure your system has the latest security features and performance improvements. For better organization, use consistent naming conventions that include dates. Schedule automated backups during off-peak hours and focus on critical events rather than continuous recording to save storage space. Regular firmware updates resolve common issues like slow performance, compatibility problems, and connectivity issues. This ensures your backup process runs smoothly and reliably. By following these troubleshooting steps and implementing these best practices, you'll ensure reliable and secure USB backups from your Swann DVR system.